What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to mod any game. Now this is like super easy, like really easy. And what you need to do, okay, so first you need to get your APK, but if you don't have an APK, use this extension called DownQ. It basically allows you to get the basic APKs of games. It's really useful, as well as you get DLCs, and yeah. So, DownQ. So what you need to do first is you need to go to secure.oculus.com, wait for it to load, and then if you see this pink, or like if you see it not gray, then that means you did it. And now you can go to experiences and search up the app you want to mod. Sometimes some apps won't have a download button, like Plex Taggers, for some reason doesn't have a download button. I don't know, but yeah, it does not have it. So I'm like any game here can be used as like an example. Uh, so yeah, here this is a Discord server that has like some modern stuff. Uh, here, uh, I'm just gonna search up taggers and see what should work. It was like a million taggers games. X taggers, light taggers, default taggers, and monkey taggers. Benload tagger seems good. Yeah, it seems to. Oof, okay. Okay, so after you download it, you need to go to this bottom area and click downgrade. And that was really weird. And you have to wait for the website to load, and then if you go all the way to the bottom, you should see this DLC and the download button. Now, if you want to download a DLC, you need to press downgrade. If you want, if you want to download a DLC, press DLC. If you want to download the APK, or base APK, press downgrade. I want to download the base APK, so I'm just going to click downgrade. Now you just have to scroll to the top, and here you'll see all these here. And you'll be able to like choose whatever version you want. And usually, and if you have access to other release channels, you can like download it from that. But yeah, um, so here like you can like choose any version. For me, I'm just gonna choose the newest one because then the APK will work and you will be able to join stuff. Yeah. Now I just need to wait for this to download. Now after that's downloaded, let's get to the actual modding. So first, join the Discord for like all the mods in this video. So first, I have this folder, APK modding tools. It's just like the stuff I use to mod games. You could use any one you like. I like using APK Toolkit, but I'm gonna try using APK Easy Tool this time. Uh, in the file folder, you need to like go into downloads or whatever and press and find the APK and put in there. And here you can find the decompile name and the compile name. For this one, I'm just gonna put Ben taggers modded. And yeah, now what you need to do is you need to press decompile. Now you just need to wait, and it's like if like you feel like it's like being weird, you can press escape to cancel. Well, right now it's just decompiling it. Should be like finished in a little bit. There's the Android manifest. Holy frick, my text editor is glitching out. Okay, yeah, I think this is not working. Yeah, this is not working. Yeah. I have to task manager this, bro. I have to task manager this. Oh, and it killed itself. That's very useful. Okay, anyway, now I'm gonna think about sticking to APK toolkit. Yeah, I'm just gonna use APK toolkit for this tutorial. You can use APK easy tool. I hate it, right? I never really used it, but the time I would used it, I have used it. It's like really bad. It's like really weird. Anyway, here you can like see the info of the app, like the title, like the work thingy, and like the Unity clear activity thing, like the main activity thing. This is what we're gonna want to like be in for like a little bit. So what you need to do is you just need to press decompile and just wait. And this is super useful because it has like a log down here, and you need to wait until it says finished and it has like a finished flag here in the icon thingy. Yeah. It's gonna say parsing APK done and then decompiling APK using blank, box modeling blank, loading resource table, loading all that. Then it should say this at the end, finished, the flag, and that's how you know it's finished decompiling. Now I got to decompile. Uh, then you need to go into Denim Tiger's official revamp.apk or like the name of your APK. And then here, this is where all the modding goes on. So the first thing we need to do is if you want a custom like loading thing, usually if you go into assets, it will like have like a thingy that will have the thing. Uh, so yeah. So let's get into the first type of modding, which is lib modding. Lib modding, in my opinion, is one of the easiest ones to do. So what you need to do is you need to go into your thingy, then you need to go into lib, and then you'll be here. And now in the Discord in the description, there's gonna be like these files that have .so at the end. This is like basically the mod menus and stuff. And there will also be like ones that have like authorization bypass. I lost all of these because like I have no idea because something happened so that everything in here got deleted, but whatever, I don't know. Then we're just gonna find the mod menu that you want. So for example, if like sometimes some mod menus won't work on certain versions of games, so what you need to do is you need to go to APK, you need to go to like where your game is decompiled, assets, bin, data, and then I'm pretty sure like in you need to find Unity default resources. And then what you need to do is you need to open it with your file editor. For me, I use Sublime Text because it doesn't actually ask to save like a million thingies. Okay, don't use Sublime Text because that just opens up the binary. Instead, I'm gonna sadly have to use Notepad, the worst thing ever, because I want you like 5 tabs. Like, finally, it didn't actually like give me 5 million tabs. Anyways, here you'll find the version. So for example, this one's 2022.3.31 F1. So since this is 2022.3.315.1, if you want, I'm gonna mod it with Bus Client, which is like this like OP mod menu. So basically, in the description there'll be a website called libs.anotheraxiom.org, and basically, you go to this website. Depending on the version of the game, it's either gonna be Unity 2021.3.x or Unity 2022.3.x or 2022.3.x. The X is basically where any number can go. Basically, you need to download the one that like corresponds with your game version. So for example, mine said 2022.3.15. So what we need to do is we need to download this one. Luckily, I already have downloaded it. I just haven't unzipped it yet. So watch as I decompile these mod menus because yeah. Has anyone ever actually bought like has anyone ever actually bought WinWar Premium? Cause I don't think no one has. I think we need to start supporting WinWar, WinWar, WinWar. Oh my god, I cannot speak. Whatever this thing is, I forgot what it's called. Uh, you keep supporting. Okay, it does not say what it is. I forgot. Is it WinWar? Is it WinWar? Yeah, it's WinWar. We need to start supporting WinWar more because it is like so underrated. It is not supposed to be paid. So, anyways, you need to go into the folder. You need to find this, the libbossclient.sl, and these both have the same name folders. You just need to find which one is like the one that you need. And then you need to copy it and then bring it over to the APK modding tools or whatever you have working these in. And then you need to, okay, so you basically just need to go to your decompiler APK. I did not have to say all that. Anyways, you need to go into the lib folder or where you have the libs, libs. Then go to the RM64 V8A, whatever it's called. Then you need to paste it in, and this is the mod menu basically. Yeah. Then what you need to do, you need to go into assets, stop bin. I mean, no, that's the wrong thing. That's for other things. And then you need to go into small com, and then Unity 3D player. Oh no, we can just go use APK toolkit. Doesn't it show you like where the thingy is? I think it does. I already have it open. I'm so dumb. Click the document thing. You'll open this, and this is literally where you're gonna want it. Okay, so this is where, like in the description, I'm gonna have some code, and what you need to do is you need to paste in that code. Uh, it's gonna be like really simple. For me, I have it like here, small stuff. And then what you need to do is you basically just like a million here. Just find like the one that you need. For example, like if it says lib bus client or something, it says something like lib bus client.so, you need to find the one that has that name. It's still recording with the I was just checking for one. Then you need to copy this, and this is basically the code that loads your mod menu into the game. Then you need to close this thing. Then you need to find the Unity thingy, and then go and then just paste it into it. And there you go. Now you should have your mod menu in game. Just a side note, you can also like do other ones. It doesn't always have to be like this V0 thingy. So make sure that it's not like in this order. Make sure it's const string and then invoke static, not invoke static and then const string. And make sure that like the const string is like the same as the thingy in the invoke static link. So sometimes this will be V1. You just need to change it to V0 if this says V0. Yeah, that's what you need to do to make the mod menu actually exist. And now you just need to save it and yeah, exit. And after you do that, close this, and then you can just compile it. But for me, I usually don't mod it that much. I usually mod it way, way more. Let's show you. So yeah, I'm gonna show you where, like, how much I mod my, okay. APK modding tools, APK decompiling toolkit, Benlem taggers, assets, bin, data, metadata modding, bro. Let's go. Anyways, it's gonna be like a lot. There's like lots of tools here, but basically, you're just gonna go to where you have like like your APKs, assets, bin, data, manage, metadata, over data map. If it says this, then sorry, your metadata is not supported. Yeah, you have to leak it or something. I have no idea. But yeah, there's gonna be like this my Discord server is gonna be like ways that you can mod it. But yeah, I can't do anything for that sort of thing like that. Now finally, UABA modding. It's like really easy, and this is actually how you get like your. This is how you get the like app info window. What the hell? No, it's something. What is this? Oh, it's my crop. Okay. Just get your UABA. For to load. If you're wondering why it looks like this and not the other way, it's because like this is just like a modified version of UABA called UAB next, I think. And basically just find your APK. It'd be easy. I've said it multiple times in this video by now. And go assets and then bin. And then instead of going to manage after going to data, you need to press data, you need to load data Unity 3D. Then it should load. And then to get the photon, your playfab again, click global claim managers, and usually there will be something called like uh or like photon server settings. I guess here it doesn't have a photon. Okay, so if that doesn't work, try doing it in shared assets. For example, this doesn't work either. Uh, and like in game modding, you can like here, like you can just enable game objects and stuff. Here, photon manager, just like stuff. I guess. I don't think this thing even have the thingy. Okay, sometimes they'll say this. Yeah. But anyways, that's literally how to mod a game. It's that simple. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I yapped way too much in this video. It's finally over. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.